So we're going to put the bandage, the dressing, on the right chest. Sabihin mo sa kanya, sir, pakihawakan mo na. Hawakan niyo yung tip or yung apex. And you're going to point the apex to the injured area or part. Ganyan. Masyadong malaki ang bandage, kailangan itiklop, kailangan itupi. So you're going to fold the base hanggang dito sa mid-rib. 1, 2, 3. Pasok nyo dun sa loob. Sa likod, nakakap niya, no? We're going to make a square knot. Simple knot pala. A square knot, actually. Square knot. So, magiging yung itsura niya, no? The other tip will be connected to the apex. Tapos yung isang nakalaylay, tatago natin. Oh, ang taas ng book, sir. Dito.